Are you a manufacturer struggling to manage detailed, product-specific information in your CRM? With ACT Custom Industry Tables, you can track the data that matters most to your business right where you manage your customer relationships. Let's say you're working with Sammy Gibbons. With ACT, not only can you store her contact details, but you can also track her full product order history, like her order for Core Clamp Ultra with a unit price of $657.54 and a quantity of 250. Want to know when it was manufactured, shipped, or how long the warranty lasts? It's all here, from manufacture and ship dates to warranty terms customized to fit your workflow. Working with high-volume buyers, Lennox ordered 800 units of Granite Grip X, and his purchase history data is now structured and searchable within ACT. Do you need quick answers? Filter and report on custom fields, like all products with warranties over 24 months. And you can do this in seconds. And when it's time to follow up with your customers, ACT Marketing Automation makes it easy. Segment your list by product type, ship date, quantity, or any custom field, like sending reminders to customers whose warranties have expired or are set to expire soon. Then build and send personalized, data-driven campaigns in minutes so you can deliver the right message to the right clients automatically. With ACT Custom Industry Tables, you don't adapt your business to your CRM adapts to your business. Custom Industry Tables in ACT transforms your CRM into a purpose-built manufacturing platform, organized, flexible, and always up to date. Whether you're managing shipments, reviewing warranty terms for a client, or coordinating a product launch, everything you need is right at your fingertips. Try it today and see why manufacturers choose ACT to simplify the complex. Schedule a personalized demo today.